Hi guys, this is Victor with DIY Time Tech, and welcome to part 3 of series How to Clean Up Memory on Mac Computers. If you'd like to see the rest of the videos, click on the link on the screen or in the description area below this video. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to delete hidden archived photos and videos that may take up a lot of space on your computer, but you may not even know that they exist there and you may not have a clue where they're located. Before we begin, let's open up the disk utility and take a look at how much memory is still available. In my case, it's just 3.7 gigabytes. Next, open the Finder and then go to Pictures folder. In here, you'll notice I have a few pictures, and then there's those 3 folders on the bottom. Now, if you right-click the pictures and go to Get Info, you'll notice that this folder takes up 76 gigabytes of storage, which is a lot. It's definitely not my pictures, so let's take a look at those 3 folders on the bottom and find out what's going on here. First, let's take a look at this photo booth library folder. It's using up 6.9 megabytes, which is not a lot, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. It's basically a program where you can take selfies, and I have a couple of pictures there of my family goofing off, so I'm just going to leave those alone. I want to keep those. Now let's take a look at the photo library folder next. This is basically the iCloud photo library folder. These are photos and pictures that my wife currently has on her phone, and they are synchronized and also stored on this computer as well. I already saved them to the external hard drive, so I don't want them to be on this computer anymore, so I'll go ahead and delete them. And this will free up another 17 gigabytes of storage. And next, let's take a look at the iPhoto library folder. And this one doesn't even open. It says the content was already migrated to the photo library. And if we open that, it's gonna just get us back to the photo library folder that we just looked at. So, and as I said, I already backed it up, so this can be deleted as well. And if we take a look at the size of this folder, this one is even larger. This one is 58 gigabytes. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this folder. Right click and select Move to Trash. After you've done that, the file is not physically deleted from your folder, just merely moved to trash, so we just need to empty the trash to delete them permanently. And as you can see, this folder had a lot of files in there, 45,000. So it's gonna take a while to delete all of this, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. And I'm gonna come back a little later and take a look at the progress of this. Alright, I'm back a few hours later and the trash can is empty now. Let's go ahead and open up Disk Utility and take a look at the amount of memory. So we've got almost 50 gigabytes available now, which is good. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and delete this photo library folder just to recover even more space on the hard drive. And if you would like to prevent this folder from being recreated, you should go to Settings and disable iCloud photo sharing. That's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.